I've got something to unbox again. But before I'm going to do that, first I want to talk about something. Alright, the thing that I want to talk about is reviewing products and reviews in general on YouTube, but also on different places. There are a lot of different ways to get products to review, but the main ways that people get products to review are by initiating contact to a company and asking for demo products or review products that you have to send back afterwards. The other way to do it is you know, companies recognizing you on YouTube and sending you stuff. That's the second way. Now, from how I'm seeing things, there is a big difference between those two. I mean, if I request a product from a company, I'm actually asking them to do me a favor, and then I need to do them a favor back. And that favor is most of the time telling bullshit to my viewers, or well, I never did it, but telling bullshit to the viewers and lying about a product to make it look better than it actually is. Now, I don't like that behavior. So I never request products from companies. Now, if there is a company that really wants me to test their product, then it's okay. But the deal is, you can send me the product, but I won't say anything positive about it if it sucks. I mean, if it's good, then I will say it, of course. I will be honest. But I will always have my own opinion about it. Now, another way that a company can contact a YouTuber or an influencer, which is a very bad term, is asking for a sponsorship. And I'm honest, I'm open for sponsorships. If that sponsorship enables me to do a project that I wanted to do and isn't really connected with the brand that is sponsoring me. For instance, if there is a renting company that rents me products to use in a recording session that I want to use on YouTube, and that renting company wants to sponsor the products, fine, I will put their logo in my videos and no problem at all. I'm a bit all over the place, but I think you guys know where I'm going with this. I just want to be very careful with receiving products and telling my opinion about it, because I want to keep this channel honest, and most of all, if I lie to you guys about a product, I will be in big trouble, not yet, but on the long term, because you guys are my viewers and you guys are the ones that made me so big that I will receive those products. Now, in this box is a product, and that's also the starting of a new project of mine. And for now, I'm calling this project Project Cobra Grease. Now, what this project is I am buying a lot of stuff that I want to review myself, with the goal of either keeping it in my racks or selling it after the review, and then reinvest that money back into new gear to review. And of course add a bit of money from my company, from Patreon and from YouTube AdSense and all that stuff. Now that way I can get the products that I want to review without requesting it, and I can be completely honest about it. So in this box is the first product that I want to review, and it's actually, I made a poll on Patreon and a lot of people wanted to see this, so that's pretty cool. I only have this thing to open this box, so all right. It's the Klark Teknik KT 76 KT, which is a classic style compressor with Class A line level amplifier and Midas transformers. And it also only costs 200 euros or dollars, or you know, it's very cheap, but it really depends on where you are and if you need to pay taxes over it. Now, that part of selling a product, I'm not really sure about it. I mean, if a product is good, I can use it in my studio as well, so it will earn itself back over there. On the other hand, if I keep the gear, it's also good for future comparisons between other products. Now, let's open this box. We got a power cable, which is the correct one. And we've got a manual, and we've got the unit. So it's a very shallow unit actually. I think the original Uri is way deeper. The price of this thing is super low. I was just discussing this with George, who owns a few Uris, and he bought them for around 3,000 euros, something like that. So how can they possibly build a URI 1176 for 200 euros or dollars? I think the secret is over here, the logo, Klark Teknik. Klark Teknik is a company that was coupled to Midas, and Midas is now owned by Behringer. Or as we say in Holland, Behringer. Or if you want to make it sound better, Behringer. Now, we can say a lot about Behringer. It's a huge company and they have huge manufacturing lines and they really know how to make things cheap. To be honest, this thing doesn't feel cheap. It's actually a very thick front plate, very nice feeling potentiometers. Yeah, it really feels pretty steady actually. You know, solid power supply, light on here, actually pretty good. Now I want to see what is in here. But my screwdriver doesn't fit. It's a Torque. Let me see if I can get a Torque screwdriver. This is actually a bit strange. I think I have the correct one, but it barely fits. It actually doesn't really fit. So we can't see the inside of this thing, which is a bit sad because I really want to know, I mean, what is it built of? I mean, I think it's all SMD, and I really think it's you know, the art of the quantity. Like, I think they build like 10,000 of these boxes at once. Big production line. And that way they can make it for, you know, such a low price. It's not that it's made for that $200. I think it's actually made for less than $100. I mean, you have shipment, you have, you know, the reseller that wants to earn some money on it. You've got Behringer who wants to earn some money on it. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, it turns on. Okay. Gain reduction. You cannot really see the light, but it's on right now. You can see it from here. Now I also want to run some audio through it. All right, so I've got a kick in Reaper and I got 2 cables like this. Now I'm going to test it on a kick just quickly for now. Yeah, let's see. Oh, there is some noise, not a lot actually, but yeah. All right, let's put the kick in here. Now here's a strange thing. What I remember from using a URI is that the attack was way more aggressive. But apart from that, I mean, it's not bad. It's really not bad considering the price. I mean, the price justifies it all. I mean, if this single light was working, the price was already justified if you compare it with the original machine. Yeah, I think it's cool. I'm super surprised by the build quality. It's a super thick plate. It's super steady, the buttons feel very nice, they turn really well. It just feels really solid. Is all button in mode, is it possible? Can I? Yeah, it's possible. So what I'm going to do with this thing is I'm going to put it in my rack over there, underneath the stem audio unit, and use it for a few weeks to really form an opinion about it, and then make a new video, a review video, in which I will tell you guys everything that I think of the Klark Teknik 76 KT. 76 KT, this thing. If you guys want to see that, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you liked this unboxing video, Please let me know that in the comments below. For more content, you can check out Patreon. I will link it over here. On Patreon, you can get access to behind-the-scenes content, Q&As, and a lot of good stuff, but more on that on the Patreon campaign. There's also more content on my YouTube channel, of course, more than only this video. So you can check out one more video over here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye bye.